Hey everybody, Johan Magnuson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're cooking up an amazing Iberico Presa with a Mojo Rojo Sauce on the PK grill. The first thing that we want to do is prepare the Mojo Rojo Sauce, so here's how we do that. We're going to start by adding half a tablespoon of cumin seeds to a hot pan. Then we want to toast these for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to add them into a molcajete. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, and we're also going to add 1 garlic that we peeled and finely chopped. Then we're going to grind this into a paste, and then we want to add 1 red bell pepper that we finely diced. We also want to add 1 Fresno pepper, finely diced and de-seeded, and then continue working this into a paste. Now we want to add 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, and we also want to add 1 tablespoon of sweet Hungarian paprika. Last but not least, we're going to add 3 to 5 tablespoons of really good olive oil, and then we want to keep mashing the sauce until it has a great texture. Wow, the Mojo Rojo sauce is now ready. It tastes amazing. So now it's time to start preparing and grilling the Iberico Presa. So we got a beautiful Iberico Presa from Spain, and Presa is the pork shoulder and it has tons of flavor. We're gonna season it lightly on both sides with our Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Beef Boost. Then we wanna set it aside. We're gonna add some lump charcoal to the chimney starter. Then we wanna light this on fire with a couple of fire starter. Then we wanna dump this into one side of the PK grill. We're gonna add the grates. We're also gonna add some bourbon barrel blocks from Smoke Your Bourbon to create a great smoke flavor. And then open the opposite vents to get a good airflow. Now we're gonna place the Presa on the opposite side of the charcoal bed. And now we wanna smoke this for about 20 to 30 minutes until we reach an inner temperature of about 120 degrees. You wanna flip the Presa over a couple of times as well. When the inner temperature hits 120, we're gonna sear both sides of the Presa and cook it until we get an inner temperature of 140. Then we want to remove the Presa and let it sit. Now we're going to slice it into thin slices and serve it with our Mojo Rojo sauce. And that is how you cook Iberico Presa with a Mojo Rojo sauce on the PK grill. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. So we're going to take a little bit of the Mojo Rojo sauce, place it on the Presa, and here we go. Mojo Rojo sauce, a little bit of heat, great flavor, works perfectly with that fatty and rich Iberico Presa. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.